Welcome back to Retro Gaming Tech. A few months ago I finished building my Bartop Donkey Kong arcade machine, and I thought I'd showcase it for you here. Basically it's a scaled down model of a large Donkey Kong machine. Kinda. It's got the same basic color scheme and graphics, but I changed a few design things a little bit. If you look at the side here, there's a pinball button. Same thing on the other side for the other flipper. Control panel has admin buttons along the top, along with player 1 and player 2 coin, as well as start buttons. There are 6 buttons on the control panel. Now Donkey Kong only had one button, which was jump, but in this case this is going to run MAME and a lot of other emulators, so 6 buttons will pretty much take care of everything. Now, the neat thing about this unit here, and you'll see in a few minutes here, so you can see here the monitor comes completely away from the machine. The monitor is held on with some metal brackets to a piece of MDF that's cut and a piece of plexiglass. And pretty much the monitor is rotatable. So normally in MAME, a lot of the games are horizontal, but all those old school ones are vertical. So I wanted to be able to fill the entire screen properly and be able to do both. So I had the option to pull the monitor out, rotate it, put it back in. Now you can see in here a little bit, computer is an AMD quad-core. There's a power surge strip that will turn the unit on automatically with one button. It has a relay in it. On the back, I put a USB port, basically 2 USB ports on the back so that I could plug in external devices. There's the power for the relay. Basically, when the computer goes on, the rest of the ports on the power strip go on because of the 12-volt supply. This is a view under the control panel. I held the control panel on with some clips. Here's underneath. The control panel will unclip for working on it and making modifications. The joystick is a U360 by Ultimarc. It is a full analog and programmable joystick. So depending on the game you're playing, it will map to whatever configuration you want. Now you can see here the inside of the pinball buttons and the clips on how the control panel gets tied down here. You can see these clips here. So there's 2 clips that hold the control panel tightly into place. Alright, here's the interface here. I'm using Mela. I'm going to be putting Hyperspin on it. I still haven't set it up. There's only a 500 gig hard drive in here, and for a full Hyperspin setup, you need about 2 terabytes. So when hard drive prices hopefully come down soon, I'll end up doing that. So there's a little menu interface. All the graphics and stuff I designed for this. I laid out this theme. So on the left it'll show you a little video of the game that you have highlighted. On the right is your list. This is the MAME emulator list. This is actually the favorites list. This isn't all of them, but these are some of the ones I like the most. Now, currently the monitor is in horizontal position. So we're going to go into Mortal Kombat here, add some coins. There, the speakers, they're covered up with speaker fan grills for computers.
Okay.
And again, like all my reviews, I'm doing them solo, so I'm not going to be able to play very well, but you can see how it works. The monitor is a 19-inch LCD Samsung, and it's a 4:3 aspect ratio, which is, I don't know, I think 21-inch was the biggest one you could possibly find, but 19-inch works perfect for this type of size. Now here we are. I just switched the arcade monitor to vertical position, and I have a little button on the back here. Amela has a nice feature where if you push the button, it will actually rotate the interface to a vertical position. So I just push the button, and here we go. Everything is now vertical. And here's Miss Pac-Man. This is how the monitor looks vertically. If anybody has any questions, wants to know more details on anything, needs any help, reply in the comments below or send me a private message. Thanks for watching.